Hello everyone, Hashim Ashraf here from the Canadian Home. So let's discuss one more new project. It's in Whitby. So when it comes to Whitby, like the Durham region is like I can say is one of the fastest growing in like Ontario. Just because one important thing is like Durham region has got one of the highest developable land, like which is already approved by the city and the province, and all the building permits is approved, especially for the low-rise projects like towns, detached and semi-detached homes. So that's the reason like there are a lot of traction towards Durham region. So it can be Oshawa, like South and North, Whitby, Pickering, all these areas. There is a very good traction for low-rise homes. Some builders they get very attractive price and very kind of aggressive pricing. So when they get very aggressive pricing, definitely like there are a lot of people who want to buy. So even if you look at this project, you can see here a good community a low-rise project. Nowadays, like a lot of builders are building low-rise project because of course the condominium sometimes it may be hard to sell for them now because even there are builders who are converting their condominium project site, which is only approved for 48 floors, 50 floors, and if they have a reasonably big size lot, they are turning that into high density townhomes or a stacked townhomes, which is low rise. So they know that like people are more to buy like 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom towns rather than buying a small condo. So the trend is changing. So the builders are also changing. So I think we also have to change. And as a consumer who are looking to buy home, it's actually a good time to buy. There's no doubt because we have a GST rebate of 5%. Like even if you're buying like 700,000 home, you'll get around 35,000 discount on GST itself. On that, like builders are offering a lot of discounts. So collectively, if you look at GST rebate is a big thing for first time home buyers. Upon that, builders are offering a lot of incentives. Then extended deposit structure and almost zero developmental charges in some of the projects. Not all, but all these things makes really a good formula to get into the market now. And once the interest rate comes down, the price will start going up. So this is a townhome project, freehold townhome project. So we can see here, it's in Brooklyn. Brooklyn is in Whitby. So it's called Brooklyn Towns by a great builder. It's by Madison Group, a huge builder. They have built so many projects. Not a new builder, very old builder. So that we can trust. So as a location wise, it is North Whitby, like where Highway 407 meets Highway 12. Brooklyn, Ontario is a thriving urban hub offering all modern convenience with the notes of historic charm. Okay, so it's actually founded in 1840, a small town as Winchester and renamed as Brooklyn in 1847. So today downtown Brooklyn is named a designated heritage conservation district under the Ontario Heritage Act. So it's kind of a lot of conservation, a lot of heritage, a lot of history in Canada. So definitely it's a good project. And also you can see here it's with the train departing every 30 minutes from Whitby to Go Station, Whitby Go Station. So reaching downtown is mm, very easy. And you can see the distances for Oshawa 19 minutes, okay? And Markham 55 minutes, and all this distance are given here. So obviously, like even the proximity to 407 ATR is also easy, and just 2 minutes walk near to the bus station, okay? That is Durham Region Transit Go bus service connecting Whitby, Oshawa, and Durham College. So this is just a rendering how it looks. They have 2 story and they have 3 story. So we can discuss all those things in detail when we sit for a meeting. So basically, they have good excellent deposit structure and fee maintenance. All those things also we can discuss in person. So here you can see here they have 3 bedroom or 2 bath, three story, and they have like 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 story. So definitely project to consider. And some like basics of this project. If you look at the project location is Baldwin Street South and Robrook Avenue. So this will have around 159 homes. So it's like fairly big units, and there will be two-story and also three-story. So this location is like 15 minutes drive to Whitby GO station. Brooklyn is a community within the township Whitby, located just north of central Whitby. 55 minutes ride to downtown Toronto, 1 minute to Highway 407, 20 minutes to Highway 401, 2 minutes walk to nearest bus station. And all other uh, the big box stores are just few minutes away. So it makes a lot of sense for people to buy these kind of homes because, like, it's a low rise, a good pricing, GST rebate. So feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202. My number again and contacts, everything will be given in the description below. Feel free to text me, call